Oh, yeah. Hope for the youth Sierra Leone. Try and understand. We got better plans for the nation, yeah. That's our ambition. Transforming into the youth for tomorrow, yeah. Hey. Transformative leaders. Hope for the youth Sierra Leone. Try and understand. We got better plans for.
Good afternoon, everybody. Mina John Blessed Fode, and Mina the leader for Hope for Youth Sierra Leone Christian Youth Chapter. For me, and Hope for Youth means something very great to me, because as a youth within the church, I believe I get a lot of things to offer to other people out there, and the good morals I don't be taught, back up with my desire for make a change. I'm going to make that change. We very much going to be seen by everybody around, and I believe this night time as a young man, we will inspire other young people there, so that I will encourage them to inspire others, so that this will make the world a better place for all. And if we the young one and come on board, realize our potentials and maximize them, the world will be a better place, and Sierra Leone will be like heaven on earth. So our hope and Hope for Youth greatly in my heart, and I believe I will be a springboard. It will inspire other people and encourage them for keep this dream alive. So thank you.
Hello, Minato for Lekan, and at the side na Godwich Village, and at the champion the Western Urban and Peninsula for the Hope for Youth Sierra Leone. And right now, to be sincere with you people, we don't do a lot, and we are moving on still. We do get an outreach tomorrow for champion every villages in the peninsula. We start tomorrow. So I just appreciate we already do the work for Hope for Youth and for company for the benefit tomorrow, for the future tomorrow. And Mrs. F want to tell the leaders them, we carry this initiative. Thank you, because not good thing they do so for we for bring the youth together at this nation. And I believe this way they don't do so. In the next 2-3 years, we will see the great work we God to do inside this forum here, this organization. I want to appreciate you all and thank you all. As we go on, we go for more and more, and what you will do.
Good afternoon to everyone at this group. Me, na Joseph Benson Koba, and I born and grew up in Regent Village. Me, na the leader for the Regent Village chapter. Before I go further, I go like to tell Papa God thank you for the life of Dr. Prince Isibul, where he give him the inspiration for form this organization for better life in this country. And also the well-meaning Sierra Leoneans across the globe, where they support him for make this organization stand strong. For me, Hope for Youth Sierra Leone, na organization where they seek for create awareness among the youth, for make them realize they can be change agents and self get the ability for be in charge of their own life. The organization also give confidence to the youth of Sierra Leone, say when they fail by anything, when they put hand pan, way for better than life, then for always get the courage to bounce back and move forward, as there is always a second chance. So for we, now the Regent Village chapter, Hope for Youth Sierra Leone means a rebirth of this great nation, because the organization don't give you the platform for train a generation of youth we will get a positive mindset in themselves, and we then take up leadership position with a true sense of patriotism. My dream now that the young people within my chapter and my community, I want to see them be empowered in both formal and informal education. Formal education, in the case of them, we get the cognition for study the different careers, and informal education for the one they will get special skills where they will use for develop themselves. Because now this could boost up their self-esteem, we could make them able for make meaningful contribution to this community and the country at large. I also get a dream for extend the branch now. Some other villages then we surround Regent after we don't establish enough na the Regent village community. I thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Jallo, the youth leader for Hope for Youth Sierra Leone, Kisi chapter. First of all, I want to use this opportunity to thank each and every one that have been promoting this organization in their different capacity. We have been yearning for this opportunity, for an organization that will seek our interests, for an organization that will try to capacitate us with the youth of Sierra Leone, but no avail. But the interception of Hope for Youth Sierra Leone, we have seen the changes, because now we are proud of an organization of Hope for Youth Sierra Leone. That is a youth that want to promote and protect the interests of youth in this country. My own vision, my own chapter, which is the Kisi, we are hoping, we are yearning for transformation to change the narrative of the youth, the mindset of youth, to be positive, to stay away from negative conflict or violence, by capacitating them in different ways, all walks of life. That's what we are expecting. So once more, I use this opportunity to thank each and every one of you that have been putting your restless efforts for this organization to be successful. Once more, thank you very much. I am Abdullah Jallo, the youth leader for Kisi chapter Hope for Youth Sierra Leone.
Both home and abroad, Mina Unisa S. Kamara, me I represent Grassfield Kisi National Brand as the group leader. First of all, before I get to say anything, I give a million thanks to the founder of Hope for Youth Sierra Leone, being no less a person, Dr. Prince Haisebo. And also, I extend my sincere thanks and appreciation for the one day who they contribute heavily for let this organization in dream come true. On behalf of me, members, Hope for Youth Sierra Leone means a lot to me. Hope for Youth Sierra Leone draw attention to we the young one for make how to become a leaders and issue problem we concern but the youth. Also bring consciousness and awareness, particularly with the young people in the area of violence, drugs abuse, and more. Our mission for this grassroots chapter, we need alternative way we bring the youth in order to become one big family, such as youth building peace, transforming educational system, in order the youth for building career, for them more become self-reliance. Once again, I thank you all. God bless us. Long live Hope for Youth Sierra Leone.
Good day, fellow Sierra Leoneans, both home and abroad. Mina Joseph Hassan Touré, the leader for Hope for Youth Salon Wellington chapter. I'm really happy for being part of this organization, and I also want to use this opportunity for telling you boku thank you for the good plans they want to get for really youth man in a salon. I'm really happy for that. It really shows say when I really like the country and when I also like with the young man there who they are. When I really want for CV up there, God will bless you for that. Hope for Youth Salon means a lot to me, as it serves as a motivating factor based on the plans they want to get, the ideas, the encouragement who they get from it really motivates me as individual. It really means a lot to me. Hope for Youth Salon and the organization this way, I really admire it. From the one where I joined the group, I really know say yes, when I mean good for we the youth man there na salon. The vision I get for this me chapter, I really want for help the youth man them through na your own contribution, for give them some skills, because not so everything about education, trade and other skills them, or at least then self go able benefit from them skills then they. I really want to see the young man them, the woman them now, the man though, for let them be self-independent. Let them know say yes, me I need to be somebody. You don't say when they tell you say now we not the future leaders there. But if you not create way, you not empower the young man for let him be future leader, it's not go possible for that. Now, one part of the reason will make I really happy for being part of this organization, because every so when they tell me, and for now we see the future, say yes, we need to go out there and tap with destiny. So I'm really happy for that. Let God make we all succeed. God bless we all. Thank you very much.
Hello everybody, this is Christopher Toka, Waterloo Village Chapter. We want to tell Dr. Isaac Bull plenty thank you and all the wanted way they began for support, especially to Mrs. Yvette Mundugastin for involving the Waterloo Chapter. Hope for Youth don't come in Waterloo, and Hope for Youth begin we assignment for do marks them. So we reach out to the community, look for people who get talent and skill, and we begin for meet some disabled them we get skills for so. And where we tell them say we need for like 500 marks, they be so excited. So this is now one way of Hope for Youth to empower the youth them. So we really appreciate Hope for Youth now this village, and we believe in Prissy with video chapter. All youth man will get the knowledge for say you get for embark on your skills or your talents not to pass you go college. You get for be self-independent. You get for be CEO for yourself. Boss man of yourself. And with Hope for Youth, we will be able to change this country. And we within the Waterloo Village, we plan for the future Hope for Youth, for all youth man within and this village, for get himself employed in new little skills. And we get them, we don't see them. Now, hope no be there. But when we don't get hope, we tell Papa God thank you. And we know say Hope for Youth are the right source for change the Republic of Sierra Leone.
And also, we look forward for receive the equipment for printing t-shirts, so we will empower more youth in this community. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Hope for Youth Sierra Leone, in a this a time, oh, in a this a time, in a this a time, in a this a time, yeah. So don't give up and tighten up your seatbelt. Hope for Youth Sierra Leone, day for we. Someday you go be lawyer, be president, be minister in the country. So don't give up your faith. Hope for Youth Sierra Leone, don't come oh. In a this a time, oh, in a this a time, in a this a time, in a this a time, yeah. Hope for the youth Sierra Leone. Try and understand. We got better plans for the nation, yeah. That's our ambition. Transform into the youth for tomorrow, yeah. Hey, hey. Transformative leaders. Hope for the youth Sierra Leone. Try and understand. We got better plans for the nation, yeah. That's our ambition. Transform into the youth for tomorrow, yeah. Hey, hey, transformative leaders.
Oh, don't come for with the woman there, with the woman there. Say no to prostitutions.
You know me see me a capital, I go make 'em. Yeah, yeah, yeah.